Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exquisite world of traditional saris, exploring the stunning fashion choices of Kushita Kalapu. From intricate weaves to vibrant colors, let's take a look at how she styles these timeless pieces with grace and elegance. Kushita Kalapu's traditional sari fashion choices reflect an exquisite blend of elegance, grace, and cultural heritage. Her selection of saris often showcases rich fabrics like silk, cotton, and organza, adorned with intricate embroidery, zari work, and vibrant prints. Whether it's a grand wedding or a festive celebration, her saris exude a timeless charm. She favors classic hues like red, gold, and royal blue, but also experiments with pastel shades and contemporary designs. Her styling is impeccable, with a keen eye for detail. She often pairs her saris with intricately designed blouses that feature unique necklines, sleeve patterns, and embellishments, adding a modern twist to traditional attire. Accessories play a significant role in her looks, with statement jewelry pieces like heavy jhumkas, choker necklaces, and bangles complementing her saris beautifully. Her hair is usually styled in elegant buns adorned with flowers or loose waves, enhancing her overall traditional aesthetic. Makeup-wise, she opts for a natural yet radiant look, emphasizing her eyes with kohl and mascara, and finishing with a soft lip color. Her traditional sari choices not only highlight her impeccable fashion sense but also celebrate the rich cultural heritage of India. Her traditional sari fashion choices are a testament to her deep appreciation for Indian culture and craftsmanship. She often gravitates towards saris from various regions of India, each telling its own story. For instance, she is frequently seen in Kanjivaram saris, renowned for their durability and grandeur, featuring bold colors and gold thread work that epitomize South Indian elegance. Similarly, she embraces the allure of Banarasi saris, known for their fine silk and intricate brocade designs that are perfect for festive occasions. Her affinity for handloom saris is evident in her collection, where she champions the work of local artisans. She often dons Chanderi saris, celebrated for their lightweight texture and glossy finish, making them ideal for both formal and semi-formal events. Her wardrobe also includes the delicate and sophisticated Jamdani saris, which are characterized by their intricate patterns and sheer fabric, exuding a subtle elegance. To further elevate her sari looks, Kushita carefully selects her blouses, which are often custom-made to complement the sari's design. She experiments with various blouse styles, including high neck, boat neck, and backless designs, often embellished with mirrors, beads, and thread work. Her blouses sometimes feature intricate hand-painted motifs or digital prints, adding a contemporary touch to her traditional attire. Her choice of accessories is always on point, enhancing the regal aura of her saris. She often opts for antique jewelry pieces, such as temple jewelry, which features intricate designs inspired by South Indian temples. Her love for chunky silver jewelry is also apparent, especially when she wears saris with earthy tones and minimal embellishments. In addition to jewelry, she frequently incorporates traditional elements like gajras in her hair, bindis, and ornate hairpins, which add to the overall traditional appeal of her look. Her footwear choices are equally thoughtful, typically featuring embellished jutis or classic kolhapuris that are both stylish and comfortable. When it comes to makeup, the beauty maintains a balance between traditional and contemporary styles. She prefers a dewy base with a hint of blush, paired with bold eyeliner and well-defined brows. Her lip colors range from deep reds to soft pinks, chosen to match the sari she's wearing. Her traditional sari fashion choices are not only a celebration of Indian textiles but also a lesson in how to effortlessly marry tradition with modern sensibilities. Her sari collection extends to the exquisite Patola saris from Gujarat, known for their double ikat weaving technique, and the vibrant Bandhani saris, which showcase the ancient art of tie-dye. Each piece she chooses is a masterpiece, representing the diverse and rich heritage of Indian handloom. When it comes to the draping style, the actress demonstrates versatility and creativity. She often experiments with different draping techniques, from the classic Nevi drape to the more contemporary Seedha Pallu style. Her innovative draping not only enhances the beauty of the sari but also adds a dynamic element to her overall look. She sometimes opts for the Bengali-style drape, which adds a touch of vintage charm, or the Maharashtrian Nawari sari, reflecting her appreciation for regional styles. Her attention to detail extends to her choice of petticoats and underskirts, which she ensures are color-coordinated and tailored to provide the perfect silhouette. This meticulous approach ensures that her sari falls gracefully and complements her figure, creating an elegant and refined appearance. In terms of seasonal choices, the beauty adapts her sari selection to suit the weather. During the summer months, she prefers breathable fabrics like cotton and linen saris, which keep her cool while still looking stylish. These saris often feature light, pastel colors and minimalistic prints, perfect for a fresh and airy look. For the winter season, she gravitates towards heavier fabrics like silk and woolen blends, often in richer, darker hues that provide warmth and sophistication. Her sari fashion is not limited to formal occasions. She seamlessly incorporates saris into her everyday wardrobe, choosing simpler designs for casual outings. These everyday saris are usually made of comfortable fabrics and feature understated patterns, allowing her to maintain her signature style effortlessly. Her influence on sari fashion extends beyond her personal wardrobe. The actress actively collaborates with designers and artisans, promoting sustainable fashion and supporting local craftsmanship. She often participates in fashion shows and cultural events, where she showcases the versatility and timeless appeal of traditional saris. Her social media presence is also a significant platform where she shares styling tips, draping tutorials, and insights into the history and significance of various saris, inspiring her followers to embrace traditional attire. Her traditional sari fashion choices also highlight her remarkable ability to incorporate regional craftsmanship into her wardrobe, celebrating India's rich textile diversity. She often explores saris from various states, each with its unique weaving techniques and cultural significance. For instance, her collection includes the delicate Kota Doria saris from Rajasthan, known for their lightweight, checkered patterns, and the striking Pochampalli Ikat saris from Telangana, which showcase intricate geometric designs created through a resist dyeing process. Her love for traditional saris extends to the vibrant Fulkari saris from Punjab, characterized by their intricate floral embroidery, and the elegant Kasavu saris from Kerala, which are traditionally white with gold borders and exude a simple yet regal charm. Her sari choices also include the intricate Baluchari saris from West Bengal, which depict mythological scenes woven into the fabric, making them storytelling pieces of art. In terms of color palette, Kushita is not afraid to experiment. While she appreciates classic colors like deep reds, rich golds, and royal blues, she also embraces unconventional shades. Her collection features saris in pastel hues like mint green, blush pink, and lavender, which bring a fresh and contemporary vibe to traditional attire. Additionally, she enjoys saris with bold, contrasting color combinations, which make a striking statement. Her approach to sari styling is holistic, considering every aspect from the fabric and design to the accompanying accessories. She often complements her saris with carefully chosen jewelry that enhances the overall look. For traditional occasions, she might wear heavy gold jewelry, including elaborate necklaces, bangles, and maan tikka, adding a touch of opulence. For a more subdued yet elegant look, she opts for delicate pearl sets or minimalist silver jewelry. Her hairstyles are thoughtfully selected to match the occasion and sari style. She frequently adorns her hair with fresh flowers, such as jasmine or roses, which add a traditional and feminine touch. Whether it's a classic bun, a braided updo, or loose curls, her hairstyles always complement her sari look beautifully. Her makeup is another aspect where her attention to detail shines through. She prefers a balanced approach, ensuring her makeup enhances her natural beauty while complementing her sari. She often opts for a subtle yet glamorous look with a dewy base, highlighted cheekbones, and well-defined eyes. Her signature look includes bold eyeliner, voluminous lashes, and a bindi, which adds a traditional touch. Her lip color choices vary from bold reds and deep plums for formal events to soft pinks and nude shades for a more understated look. Her commitment to traditional saris also extends to her advocacy for sustainable fashion. She is a strong proponent of slow fashion, encouraging her followers to invest in timeless pieces that can be cherished for years. By promoting handloom saris and collaborating with local artisans, she not only supports sustainable practices but also helps preserve traditional crafts. Her influence in the fashion world is significant, as she continues to inspire many to embrace traditional attire with confidence and pride. Her sari fashion choices reflect a deep respect for cultural heritage while seamlessly integrating modern trends, making her a true ambassador of traditional Indian fashion. Her sari choices beautifully blend tradition with elegance. Each sari tells a story of rich cultural heritage and timeless beauty. Whether it's the grandeur of a silk sari or the simplicity of a cotton one, Kushita carries each look with grace and poise. Which sari look did you love the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.